Guys, so I'm back again with another video for you guys today, wearing the same shirt and the same makeup. So this is going to be my favorites video. I don't have tons here. I feel like I haven't bought tons of makeup this month, but I also haven't been really playing with makeup that much either. I don't know, it's been a weird month. I do have some empties to share with you as well, and some things that I've just re-fallen in love with. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I wanted to share with you guys is my Masckara Beauty makeup. I did a video on this where I reviewed it and tried it out for the first time, so I have that video linked down below for you guys if you are interested in what this makeup is and what it is all about. But I've been using this makeup almost non-stop. It's really good. I haven't felt like sitting down and doing my makeup, so this literally takes me 5-10 minutes to do my makeup and I'm done. And it's amazing. I love it's cream based, and so the products just melt in your skin and it just makes your skin look so skin-like and natural looking, but you still look put together. I'm wearing it on my face right now. It's amazing. Next thing is from Morphe. This is their Glamma bronzer, and this is an originator. This I have been loving. Wow, that was like a huge shine in the face. I've been using this bronzer a lot. This bronzer, it is more on the warm side of things. It has a little bit of coolness in it, but not tons. I like this, especially for the summer. It has more of that golden, bronzy, tan look. So I love using that for summertime. I love this bronzer because it just makes my skin just look so tan. Next two products is just in the last week I have fallen in love with. It is the Maybelline Color Strike Cream to Eyeshadow Pins. I need all the colors that this formula comes in. Like literally, it took me 30 seconds to do my eye makeup today. I mean, it's a very simple eye look, but nonetheless, 30 seconds to do my eye makeup today. This is a really cool formula because it starts out cream when you put it on, so it's really nice and creamy and blendable. Then it dries down to a powder, so it's not going to move around, it's not going to crease, and it's amazing. So if you are curious about this, Color Strike from Maybelline, they are amazing. Next thing is, this is also from Masckara Beauty. This is one of their duo brushes. This is their eyeshadow everything brush, I think, but I love the fluffy side of this brush. I use it when I put my cream eyeshadow on and literally swipe, 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 I'm done. This brush is so soft, but it blends everything like a dream. It's amazing. I haven't really gotten much use out of this side yet, but I'm sure when I find something to use it for, I will love it. The lip liner that I've been using the most is the NYX Professional Liner in Nude Suede Shoes, and I just was reading something here. It says it's waterproof. I didn't know that, so that's kind of cool. This is such a good nude lip liner. I'm wearing on my lips now with a gloss, and I love it so much. And it's the lip liner that I've been using like non-stop. I love it. I have been using this new gloss from Maybelline. All these Maybelline products I'm showing you guys, I will have that video where I tried all these new Maybelline products. They came out with these new lifter gloss. They have like 10 shades, I want to say, maybe even more. First of all, I kind of noticed the packaging right away. It kind of reminds me of KKW packaging almost, because you have that kind of nude cap. This has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's going to help keep your lips moisturized all day. And I just fallen in love with these glosses. Like, these are the only lip products I've been wearing since I got them. They are amazing. One thing I like about them, which I haven't really found with any other gloss, is that they are nice and moisturizing, but when they fade away, I've had so many glosses where they ball up when they're fading away and it just gets really messy and crumbly and gross. These fade away almost like a chapstick. Like, they just fade away so nicely and then they disappear and you're like, where'd it go? But my lips feel moisturized and plump. I want to go back and get more shades just because this has been my favorite gloss. So yeah, I will definitely leave these in the description for you, because if you're looking for good gloss, go get you some of these from Maybelline. Okay, a setting spray that I have re-fallen in love with. I've been stuck on using my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid setting spray, but the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, oh my goodness, guys. I don't even know why I stopped using this. It's in an aerosol can, so it just gives you a really nice mist all over the face, but it locks your makeup in so well. I don't know why I ever stopped using this. It's so good, guys. I think it's like $16 for a 2.8 ounce, which is not bad, especially for a setting spray of good quality like this. And this is the best spray that you will ever find on the market. So that is for my favorites. Now I have just 2 empties to share with you guys. I am kind of collecting as I'm emptying things out and keeping them in a box, so that way I can do a whole dedicated video on it. But I do want to share these 2 with you. This one is from Aveda, and this is their Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Guys, this is my 2nd bottle that I've gone through since I've used this product, and I probably have been using this product for about a year now. I love this. It just makes my hair look so nice and smooth, but I have pretty brittle hair. I don't have fine hair, but it just dries out really fast and the ends get really bad, and I put this in my hair every day. You can put this in your hair dry, and it's amazing. It's also a heat styling protectant, so if you're styling your hair with heat, you can use this and it will protect your hair from that. I love this stuff. The next thing is from Jergens. This is their Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer, and I have the tanning moisturizer. Helps give you a subtle color on your skin, and this is medium tan, which obviously I'm not, but it kind of helps like when I'm in the sun too. I feel this also helps with cellulite, and I have cellulite on my thighs, and I don't have them anymore since I've been using this stuff. So that I always moisturize my body when I get out of the shower, and I hate having to get out of the shower, dry myself off, and then take pumps of moisturizer and put them all over my body. I turn off the shower. While I'm still in the shower, I slap this all over my skin. I slap this all over my skin. I take my towel, dry off, and then I get dressed and I'm good to go. I'm skipping a step or 2 with this product, and I love it. It keeps my skin moisturized, and also it helps me tan a little better, so that's a plus. This is my 3rd bottle as well. I'm on my 4th bottle. What did I just say? Yeah, my 4th bottle. I'm on my 4th bottle. I love this stuff just because it makes life so much easier. Alright guys, that is it for my favorites video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any favorites from the month of June, comment down below and let me know, because I honestly truly want to know if there's things out there that I'm missing, things that would excite me about makeup, because I feel like I'm kind of going downhill. Like I was really excited like in April, and I feel like I've just kind of been going down. So, but I'm excited for the month of July and see what it comes. It's my birthday month, so I'm really excited about that. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. And I don't know what that is yet, but it will be a fun one. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!